Have you ever noticed how a farmer's field changes from year to year? Wheat one season, bright yellow flowers the next? This isn't random. It's crop rotation, an ancient practice that keeps soil healthy and food abundant. Crop rotation is a rhythm, a cycle that restores the earth, letting it recover and thrive. The soil isn't just dirt, it's alive, teeming with organisms that need variety to stay strong. If we plant the same crop over and over, the soil gets tired, just like we would eating the same meal every day. Crop rotation gives the soil a balanced diet, keeping it resilient for generations. This simple idea is the foundation of sustainable farming. Without healthy soil, we can't grow healthy plants or sustain ourselves. Changing crops is more than a technique, it's a promise to care for the land that feeds us. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of crop rotation, how it works, why it matters, and how you can use it, even in a small garden. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to listen to the quiet wisdom of the soil. Let's begin this journey to a greener, more sustainable future. So, what is crop rotation? It's a simple plan. Don't plant the same crop in the same spot year after year. Instead, divide your garden into sections and move plant families to a new area each season. Some plants, like potatoes and tomatoes, are heavy feeders. They use up lots of nutrients. Others, like beans and peas, actually add nutrients back, especially nitrogen. By rotating these groups, you keep the soil balanced and healthy. Imagine 4 beds, potatoes in one, beans in another, cabbages in the third, onions in the fourth. Each year, every group moves to a new bed, replenishing what was used and preventing exhaustion. If you plant the same crop in the same place every year, the soil gets depleted and harvests shrink. Crop rotation is a way of saying thank you to the soil, giving it a chance to rest and recover. It's a partnership, a gentle give and take that ensures long-term health for your garden. This simple movement is the key to a thriving, productive plot. One of crop rotation's greatest gifts is restoring soil fertility. Different crops have different appetites. Corn and cabbage, for example, need lots of nitrogen. Planting them in the same spot repeatedly drains the soil. Enter legumes, peas, beans, clover. They partner with bacteria to capture nitrogen from the air and store it in their roots. This process, called nitrogen fixation, turns your garden into a natural fertilizer factory. After a heavy-feeding crop, plant legumes to replenish the soil. The next year, leafy greens thrive in that enriched earth. This natural cycle reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and builds healthy, living soil. Crop rotation is fundamental to organic gardening. It creates a self-sustaining loop. By planting what you plant and where, you build soil health year after year. Rich, crumbly soil is a gardener's treasure. Crop rotation is the time-tested way to grow that treasure. Crop rotation is also a powerful defense against pests and diseases. Many pests and fungi target specific crops, like potato nematodes or clubroot in cabbages. If you plant the same crop in the same spot, these problems multiply. But when you move crops each year, pests and diseases lose their food source, and their populations dwindle. Over time, the soil recovers and becomes safer for future crops. This is preventative medicine for your garden. No chemicals needed. Planting and rotation keep your plants healthier naturally. It's a simple organic shield against common garden enemies. Weeds are every gardener's challenge, but crop rotation helps keep them in check. Dense crops like potatoes or squash shade the soil, blocking weeds from sprouting. Lighter crops, like onions, don't compete as well, so rotating them after a dense crop helps keep weeds down. Different crops require different cultivation methods, disrupting weed cycles. By constantly changing what and how you plant, no single weed species can dominate. This planned disruption keeps weeds guessing and reduces your workload. Crop rotation is a natural, low-effort way to manage weeds. Let your vegetables do some of the weeding for you. Crop rotation is ancient wisdom, refined over thousands of years. Early farmers learned that planting the same crop repeatedly led to poor harvests. The Romans used a two-field system, one planted, one left fallow to rest. In medieval Europe, the three-field system rotated crops in fallow years for better yields. The real breakthrough came in the 18th century with the Norfolk four-course rotation: wheat, turnips, barley, and clover. This system kept all land productive, fed both people and animals, and improved soil fertility. Manure from livestock further enriched the fields, creating a sustainable cycle. This innovation fueled population growth and laid the foundation for modern agriculture. The principles we use today are built on centuries of observation and hard-won knowledge. Crop rotation is not just tradition, it's proven science. By following in our ancestors' footsteps, we build healthier gardens and a more secure food future. Their wisdom still guides us today. Today, crop rotation is more important than ever, especially as monoculture dominates large-scale farming. Planting the same crop over vast areas depletes soil and invites pests, leading to heavy chemical use. But many farmers are returning to rotation, alternating crops like corn and soybeans to restore nutrients naturally. Modern science helps us fine-tune these rotations, analyzing nutrient needs and beneficial bacteria. Cover crops like clover or rye, protect soil, suppress weeds, and add organic matter. This approach is central to regenerative agriculture, which aims to improve, not just sustain, the land. Crop rotation reduces environmental impact, builds resilient soil, and supports healthier ecosystems. It's not an outdated relic, but a vital tool for a sustainable food future. By embracing diversity, modern farmers create stronger, more productive farms. The ancient wisdom of rotation is more relevant than ever. You don't need a big farm to use crop rotation. Just a few beds or even containers will do. Group your vegetables into 4 categories: legumes, beans, peas, brassicas, cabbage, broccoli, roots, potatoes, carrots, and onions, others, onions, garlic, tomatoes. Assign each group to a different bed or section. Each year, move every group to a new spot, following a simple rotation. Keep a notebook or garden journal to track your plan. Don't stress about perfection. Just avoid planting the same thing in the same place every year. Even a basic rotation makes a big difference. If space is tight, rotate crops in pots by changing the soil and plant family each year. This simple habit builds healthier soil and prevents problems before they start. Crop rotation makes you a more thoughtful, successful gardener. Crop rotation is more than a technique, it's a philosophy. It's about seeing your garden as a living ecosystem, not just a food factory. By rotating crops, you form a partnership with the soil, nourishing and respecting its rhythms. This practice teaches patience and long-term thinking. Healthy soil is built over years, not seasons. The beans you plant today enrich the soil for next year's cabbages. Crop rotation fosters diversity, making your garden more resilient to pests and disease. A diverse rotating garden mirrors nature's most successful strategies. Start small, make a simple plan, and watch your soil and harvests improve. You'll become a true steward of your patch of earth, engaged in an ancient dance with the soil. You're not just growing food, you're cultivating life. Crop rotation connects us to the past, grounds us in the present, and helps us build a better future. Embrace this secret, and let your garden thrive. The soil's rhythm is waiting for you, or